a little bit of the mixer screws down here. I can smell gas a lot. So should I just keep it choked for a minute? Let's see if it runs at full choke. Well, that's a good start, considering this end spike didn't run when I got it. The bottom half of this whole crankcase is off a completely different engine. Just transferred over when I made sure when I transferred over the crankshaft that I kept the same crankshaft bearings that went along with that crankshaft in the bottom half of the casing, along with the crankshaft bearings that went along with the top half of the casing. Transferred those over as well. Definitely need some tune-up. I'm thinking more on, I'm running a 115 main jet on this with stock everything else and stock airbox. I'm only 1.5 turns out. It's kind of sound like it needs a little bit more gas, so I might give it just a quarter of a turn out at a time. Test that out. See what we got. But it's running, man. A dude who never done anything like this before in his life took us all the way down to the last bolt and all the way back up. So still more work to do, but a good start.